Hello everyone, welcome to Infinite Curiosity. Today, we're diving into the top tips for starting a side hustle. We're talking actionable steps you can take right now to get started. No excuses, no BS, just pure hustle. Whether you're just looking for some beer money or ready to build an empire, these tips are your foundation. First things first, we gotta figure out what you're actually going to do. Think about it. What comes easily to you that others seem to struggle with? Maybe you're a coding whiz, a graphic design guru, a social media ninja. Or maybe you've got a knack for baking, writing, or teaching. Whatever it is, write it down. Now, let's talk passion. I'm talking about the stuff that gets you fired up. The things you could talk about for hours. Could be anything from fitness to fashion, from gaming to gardening. Don't be shy. Let those passions fly. Now here's the magic. Find the overlap between your skills and your passions. That's your sweet spot, my friend. When you combine what you're good at with what you love, you create something truly special. And the best part, you'll actually enjoy working on it. This is about building something you're proud of, something that lights you up. All right, you've got your killer side hustle idea. Now what? You gotta make sure there's actually a market for it. Don't be a wantrepreneur sitting on a great idea that nobody wants. You gotta validate that thing. First stop, Google Trends. This tool is a goldmine for understanding what people are searching for online. Type in some keywords related to your idea and see what's trending. Is there search volume? Are people actually looking for what you're offering? Next up, social media stalking. Check out relevant hashtags, groups, and pages related to your niche. See what people are talking about, what their pain points are, and what solutions they're looking for. Listen closely to their language. What words are they using? What question are they asking? This is crucial market research. And don't forget about your own network. Put out some feelers, share your idea with friends, family, and former colleagues. Get their feedback, both good and bad. Don't be afraid of constructive criticism. It's how you improve. Remember, you're not looking for everyone to love your idea. You're looking for a specific target audience, a group of people who are hungry for what you're offering. Validate your idea before you invest too much time and money into it. Business plan? More like your blueprint for success. A business plan isn't about being stuffy or formal. It's about getting crystal clear on your vision and how you're going to make it a reality. Think of it like a roadmap. Start with the basics. What are your goals for this side hustle? Do you want to make some extra cash, replace your full-time income, or build a global empire? Get specific. Next, define your target audience. Who are you trying to reach with your product or service? The more specific you are, the better. What are their demographics, interests, pain points, and aspirations? Now let's talk strategy. How are you going to reach your target audience? What marketing channels will you use? What's your pricing strategy? Don't overthink it. Just start with a simple outline, a framework for your side hustle. You can always adjust and refine it as you go. The key is to have a plan. Baby steps, massive action. Okay, you've got your idea, you've validated your market, and you've got a plan. Now it's time to stop talking and start doing. But don't go quitting your day job just yet. We're gonna start small and scale up. The key is to take action, even if it's just small steps at first. Break down your big goals into smaller, more manageable tasks. This will make it feel less overwhelming and keep you motivated. Focus on making progress, not perfection. Don't be afraid to experiment, to try new things, and to pivot if something isn't working. The beauty of a side hustle is that you have the flexibility to adapt and evolve. As you start to see some traction, as you start generating revenue and building a customer base, you can gradually scale up your operations, invest your profits back into your business, expand your product or service offering, and start building a team. Social media, your side hustle's secret weapon. Social media is your secret weapon for side hustle domination. It's a powerful tool for reaching your target audience, building a community, and generating buzz for your brand. But here's the thing, you gotta be strategic about it. Don't just randomly post whatever comes to mind. Think about your target audience, what platforms they're using, and what kind of content they want to see. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value, sparks conversation, and positions you as an expert in your niche. Use a mix of video, images, stories, and live streams to keep things interesting. Engage with your followers, respond to comments, and build relationships. Don't be afraid to show your personality and let people connect with the human behind the brand. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. And don't forget about networking. Connect with other entrepreneurs, influencers, and potential customers in your niche. You never know what opportunities might arise from a simple conversation. There you have it, my friends. The blueprint for launching your own side hustle. The key is this. It's all about taking action. Stop dreaming and start doing. Go out there and crush it. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you kickstart your side hustle journey. Remember, every great business started with a single step. Stay motivated and keep hustling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow hustlers. Have a great night or day. Until next time.